Good evening, everyone. It's been 10:34 p.m. So this vlog is for tomorrow's vlog. So I actually vlog as an advance today. So as you can look to my hair, it's really wiggy hair, cherries. I decided to turn my hair into girl. This is very cool hair, so I want to experience a girl situation here. So I just like this. And we are actually working tomorrow. It's the last day of the work. It's the it's the last day of the work tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm going to vlog the entire day. So I really hope that no one will notice me if I'm taking videos inside of the house. If that would happen, then I can take videos if my boss is around there. So I have actually a pimples in my freaking face. So many pimples, as you can see. The pimples destroyed my face. So I cannot take shades tomorrow because I have pimples. Yeah. So after that, tomorrow I'm going to book a tarpaulin, which is equivalent to my business this May 1. May 1 is Labor Day, and I'm going to make a tarpaulin, and then I have 200 pesos in my business, and another 100 is I'm going to buy a ingredients for my product. So in May 1, 2025, we're going to vlog the entire happenings, struggling in this business of mine, in the highway, and nobody knows about my product. So I decided to go to highway. It's the third time going to the highway and selling my own product, but not just any selling, together with this video. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So we are here today at the Vishu Vishu Market. So Kandadam Highway. So we are here at the Vishu, and it's April 13. So they've been clean their Joe bago ka sa bugas daw.
Ayun ko na.
They've been clean their their tent. They clean it up today because they are going home, and eventually me and my partner is here.
Ay, wag ra nito be.
Okay, nami diri karon chilling lang, chilling samtang napaigihuwat. So tomorrow we are going to we are selling my coffee grapes tomorrow. Sorry. So I'm going to sell my coffee grapes tomorrow because it's It's another day of another day of Labor Day, and I didn't have any work, so I decided to sell my product. So as you can see, so yeah, stay tuned to the video. Wearing shades makes me comfortable wherever I go. So there's shades coming up. It's a Korean shades. So many people. It's the last day of the day in here in the Vishu. I don't know. Wala na sukos mayang. Uy, ano sukos mayang? Nananlaka mo?
Waya man.
Wala?
Yeah.
Pero kaya ba siya mulit ta?
Oh.
Wow. So, more to guys.
Matura ni sila man yung hapon pay.
So, that's it guys, and so we've been waiting for their mother, and I'm here at the Oval. I'm here at the Vishu. So, stay tuned.
Ato sa kakatita ba?
Busog na ka? Busog na ka? So this is the surroundings of the VSU. So actually there's so many people around there, but we are here actually in the shawarma hideout sa shawarma. So only one man. So it's raining. Di maklarang uwan. Pala ka bay. So dahil so tarito lang ko na lagyan kita ako. Okay na.
Plastic na iya. Niambak siya. Na iya siguro na nalingat siguro ang tagiya ba. Niambak siya. Naingo siya.
So we are here and
kubag na gud dire. Chapam dai siya gipangit na. Oh, nya kuan pa din siya paduha.
So we are going home in a few minutes. There's a little changes here.
Oh, lalay, alias alay.
Muda maingon nga lang.
Ya moingon ang lagas nga. Smile be, mo smile.
Kay boya?
Oh, munga ka ba?
Lagi na. Kaya kuan man ang iya man jud ang amo ko no. Namati mo na kuno na sa.
Oh, may na buhian ang katong asawa katong nag-video nga ano niya ang bay nakadiha gang. Kamo ka nga buayan. Ang kana asa ang asawa man to. Basta moingon kuno ang buaya nga. Ay moingon kuno ang tagiya nga pakaulon na kuan din sa moingon man ang asawa. Kaon na lay nana papa mo doon na. Bukuan lagi giistoryahan naman kuno to sa tagiya ang lalaki ba. Lay buhi na lay kay pakaunon man. Ang mga taud-taud kuno pila ka oras gibuyan.
Pero di ba pangan kay Lacoste no? Giwon ni naglalay. Di ba pangansa ka ng chinilas siguro na mga bag. Lakoste ito. Gimuha na sa Facebook lalay.
Oo, nabay ko mo. Ako na. Ang asawa ko. Lay, buutan naman lay. Nyagainan bitaw ayaw hikapa. Iya man hikapon, di mo
Kaya
kung
kung
diatras
giingat ang
siya.
baba.
Wa, iya di pa.
Paakag kita yung salong. Nakakitang dito.
Nahubag leather eh.
Sobo.
Tara, uli na ta.
Okay na?
Kulit din. Uy, hatag tong katilip.
Na, sa maluyo. So we're going home today. Bye.